So hey guys, what's up? We are live now. We'll be starting soon. So I'm not in any trade. This is just a markup I was watching and sitting around so watching it. I am hoping for it to go for a sell but just watching it. Cause if I would have been in a trade you would have seen it on the screen. So the disclaimer, this call is not for financial advices. This is purely for educational purposes. I am just sharing whatever I know, whatever my experience holds. So I'm just sharing those things with you guys. Do not take anything personally or invest into something that you don't know. I hope you got that. So we have few minutes before the market opens, the New York session opens, uh, like 3 minutes 30 seconds. So I have few zones marked up already, and I will be working with those zones only. If I see anything else, then we'll be updating those zones. So as of now, if you see over here, this candle, this long volume candle, this candle is the news candle. So the news started at 7 from here, and if we mark this candle and see how much it moved, so it's a 59 60 $60 move in a 1 minute. So the longest candle which have a lot of volume. So I am just spectacle about the price action to come in this candle and clear some liquidity, take out some orders, and then again go higher. So we'll see what happens. We have 2 minutes 20 seconds. So I'm just waiting for the market to get open, and once we get some signs of weakness in for the price action to go lower, so I will be acting accordingly. Let's see what happens. Basically, I want to see a break below this low on 1 minute time frame. So if we get a break below this low, then maybe on the retracement we can enter for a sell, and our first target will be this blue line, blue boxes, and further it can go lower as well. So the next target will be this low. One more minute in market open. So as we all know that today there was a news at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So I won't be, you know, getting in and out very fast. I will watch the markets. I will trade where I feel very, very comfortable with the risk, with my psychology. It should not change. So देखते हैं क्या होता है. Market has just opened. The price has gained volume. It is going higher. It came into the zone that I have marked. So let's see. अब क्या होता है 1-2 मिनट का देखते हैं ट्रांजिशन क्या रहा. And then based on that we can get in on something. So the price came back, took out the previous liquidity, this high this wick. It respected this zone, came down, and as of now the 30-second candle has already closed lower. So I am expecting it will continue to go lower. But let's see, let's just wait for a few minutes and then we'll see, we'll react accordingly. Price came to this 15-minute order block, though I was watching further more to the downside. It didn't touch my blue boxes, so I am not, you know, I am not in for a buy, or I am not watching it for a buy. As of now, I am still watching it for a sell, but I don't have a clear confirmation to get in. Gold is melting. So on 5 minute on gold, if we get a break below these lows, then maybe the price continues for downside. So on 1 minute time frame we already have that, but we need to have that on 5 minute as well. So over here, if you see, we got a break, and after that price came back above, took out previous candle wick, took out the low. So if we get a closure below, which is not there yet, not there. So I wanted this candle, the previous candle, to be closed below this low, which never happened. But the another candle can do that maybe. So we'll be waiting. Price can still go higher after coming in these boxes. So बहुत ध्यान से करना होगा, ठीक है. Price again came lower, took out liquidity of this wick. Let's see what it does now. So I think we can take a limit order over here. Risking $94. Okay, the price has already moved. I am not in. I am not in. So limit order has been set, moving it a bit higher. I am in now. I am in now with 2 contracts. And I am out as well. Hmm. Took a loss of $75. Price is bearish. Price is bearish. I want to enter again actually. So if I get a break on this candle as well, I am getting in again. Only one contract. So not yet in. We haven't got that bearish candle that I was looking for. I am not in. Five-minute looks really good, though 1 minute is playing around. Maybe price wants something else from us. Price may consolidate. I don't know yet. So price is in the range. This is the range, the high, the low, and price is just consolidating. So we can get a break. If we get a break, then maybe it's a sell. See, it's all about having patience. I can take a lot of trades, I can lose a lot of trades, I can win a lot of trades, but you know, patience will give us good accuracy. Accuracy means, like, you have taken 10 trades and you won 5 6 trades with a good risk to reward, then you will be profitable in the end of the month, at the end of the week. You will be profitable. So that's why I'm waiting, still waiting for us to see some good price action, though as of now it's just consolidating. Both pairs you can see, it's they are just consolidating. This is the high, this is the low, that's it. Over here MNQ, this is the high, this is the low, that's it. So neither it is giving break to the upside, neither to the lower side, so just waiting. And as of now, this right over here is the high and this right over here is the low, so none of it is breaking. I really want to enter the trade. This one at 50% zone will be taking 2 contracts. I am in. So the candle has given us a bearish closure. So I am in with 2 contracts, guys. Removing everything. I should remove it or not? Ah, no worries. So after this candle closure, I'm gonna go break even, or at least I will pull my stop loss above this wick, right over here. Price can come higher, but I don't care if it does or if it doesn't. So I have, like, made it almost risk free. The trade is now almost risk free. Let's see if we survive this move or not. The price is going higher, but I want it to go lower. So let's see. Did it touch my blue boxes? It did. It did touch my blue box. Out again. Lost around $20. So which is fine. As the price came in my blue box and turned around to the upside, if we get a closure to the upside, I'm gonna try a buy. Yes, we can try a buy. And I will be taking 2 positions actually. One at 50% as well. So two limits or limit orders are there. In on one for a buy. The 5 minute is still bearish, still dicey. Though let's see what happens now. So these will be my last trades because the stop loss is really big. Just in with one contracts each. One is active, one is inactive. Once that the lower trade gets activated, the price will the risk will decrease. So you see how my trade came to a lower point because I had a position earlier, the upper position, it came down. So basically ऑन एक एवरेज डॉलर प्राइस मिलता है जब आपका सेकंड ट्रेड नीचे हो एंड इफ़ यू आर इन अ बाय. So let's just wait and watch and see what happens now. If price continues higher or it continues lower, पता लगेगा. Gold is going higher. And I will be going break even as soon as possible, as soon as I see that I should go now. Break even. So moving my stop loss below this low. And soon I will be moving it below this low as well. Good profit. Good trade, guys. Good trade. I hope you are with me. I hope you followed what I did. Like, if you wish to. Awesome. Very beautiful. So moving my stop loss below this low over here. And I'm done for the day. I won't be doing anything else now, like just changing and playing around with the stop loss or the TP. So my total PNL is 160 plus for today as of now. If I close this trade, if I continue holding this trade, then it can definitely change, right? So it's a open PNL. So let's wait and watch what happens over here. If price continues to go higher, or it continues to go lower, or it stays at where it is right now. So anything and everything can happen. I want to keep my first TP over here. So I'm out of the trade. It came back, it took me out. I could have kept my stop loss over here, but it's all good. So the total PNL for today is 57 minus 57 actually. Gold is going higher. NQ is still in the range. Did it break this high? Yes, it did. So I'm not planning to get in again. I'm just watching it. So my entry was over here. The 50% entry, the 100% like the 0% entry over here. The first one, the second one, it was okay, it was good. Just watching it where it goes. I'm not gonna participate now. GC is going higher and it is coming into this 4-hour order block. Maybe price reverses from here. That's like 1-hour order block as well, 30-minute order block as well, 15-minute as well. So like yes, price can come up higher in this zone and then you know gives us some structure breaks and then continue going lower. It can happen. Let's see. Price is going higher. So we still have this 5-minute candle to close above this high. If it fails to close above this high, then price can still go lower. I don't like such price action actually. Price came above, it took out this high liquidity, but it never closed above. Then why? Like, ask the market why. So maybe price still wants to go lower. So just watching it, we have 20 seconds in this candle closure. Let's see if it closes above this blue line or not. If it fails to close above the blue line, I am like not participating, but yes, I would like to see a sell in the market. So yes, it failed to close above. I would like to see a sell from here. I'm not taking it now, I'm not participating now. So I work with minor breaks as well, right? I don't want to wait for price to close below this or this low and then get in, because for me, like, it doesn't work for me. For me, a break over here, like below this low, will be a minor break, and on that basis, I can get in. Just waiting, watching, watching it playing around. Gold came down. Gold came down from this zone. NQ can make its way up here. NQ is booming to the upside. GC came to the area of my interest. It filled that area 50% zone. So I'm not participating. You can see that, right? I just marked up and I'm just waiting. So for me, it is order block, and it gave a break to the downside. I just marked from like 50% of this candle. Price came to that 50% zone, if you see over here, and right now price is just going down. So that is the thing, and I'm just watching it now. Tomorrow is Friday, and we won't be taking any calls. And today, see, it would have been dicey. I knew it from the start. Why? Because there was a news at 7 p.m. And the days, we have such high impact news. Either the market settles, like, either it consolidates or either it runs in a single direction. So as of now, I can see it's just consolidating. Like the run in the single direction is not there on gold. I don't think so. I can't see that because this is the news candle. The range is very low. From here to here, the range is very low. Even on NQ, I can't see a lot. Though the trade that we entered from here, a buy, that was a good trade if we could have held it, but we went break even because it went into good profits. Just watching the markets playing around. So let's end the session in another minute, in a minute, and we won't be participating in it now. Just watching, and if you can see, the market haven't moved a lot on gold and on NQ. Even on NQ, it has created a new high, but not a lot of momentum is there, not a lot of volume is there. So the candle that bought a lot of volume, that was the opening candle. If you can see right over here, 8 p.m. candle. So ये 8 बजे ही जो मैक्स वॉल्यूम आया था फॉर अ सेल, उसके बाद से जो वॉल्यूम है वो काफ़ी लो होता जा रहा है. ठीक है. The price is going higher but the volume is decreasing. So I can see a sell happening. Maybe a sell बिकॉज कल गोल्ड पे भी ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ था. So I just said like a sell can happen, and it dropped. It dropped heavily. Like, I am not the market movers, but I don't know. But I felt like, a sell can happen. Because the volume is decreasing, the price is increasing. So there is a divergence. And I think I read that divergence correctly. So the price increased, the volume decreased. And the market moves with volume. So it could have, the sell could have happened anytime, and it happened. So that's why I was watching the market to feel good, to feel, you know, कि जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वैसा हो रहा है, या जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि होना चाहिए वैसा हो रहा है. एंड आई फील गुड अबाउट इट. लाइक, reading the markets is so easy, but sometimes, the market won't give you what you want. So you just need to stay out of it, stay calm, read it more, focus more, and come back the next day so that you can make something out of it. Still, it's a good sell. Okay, guys. So see you the next week, because Friday there won't be any call. So see you the next week, Tuesday. What day it is? Like, what date it is? 25th. So see you all on 25th of November, guys. Tuesday. Bye bye. Take care.